Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. So in this video, we're going to talk about lead generation for beginners. Okay, and we know that obviously lead generation, what that allows you to do is it allows you to get eyeballs onto the websites that you've created, or maybe you've been given some websites for the company that you're promoting. Maybe you've got an affiliate URL of some sort. Maybe you're promoting a tool, a training, or maybe an actual company or whatever. But what I want to talk about in this video is how to generate leads. Okay, and this is an essential step, because what you can do then with those leads, as you collect those leads and generate leads, is that you can continuously nurture those leads, support those leads, and because it takes time, especially when you're working with cold leads. It takes time for them to warm up to your offer, and we're going to cover some very, very simple, basic setup steps that are actually going to get you to a point where you're really going to be able to start generating those leads, so that you can then work with those leads and then get them to sign up with your offers, and start to generate a team, whether you're in a network marketing business or whether you're just promoting some affiliate type offers. So let's get started. Now, I'm going to cover a few generic things in this video, but I'm also going to cover some things specific to the company that I'm promoting, which is Live Good. However, it's going to help you by just simply kind of going through this video, understanding the basics of lead generation and some recommended tools that I use, so that you can promote any businesses of your choice. So the tools that I'm going to cover in most cases are going to be free to join, but there are some options to upgrade. So let's get started. Before I continue, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, if you want to comment below, let me know some great recommendations for lead generation. But don't post any links on the comments below. Okay, just give some value if you want to. That is, but it all helps the channel. Anyway, so let's get started. So first of all, on this page, I'm talking about the 7-day fast start guide that I've created myself, with the for the company I'm personally promoting. But on this page, it's going to give you some even some generic stuff to understand how to build any business really. And we've got some recommended downloads and training steps to follow in our PDF here. This is actually day 4 of the 7-day guide, and I'll put the link to this below, so that you can cover some really key simple steps, using email marketing, using what to say in social media, Facebook, messaging, and really getting your first few people. And that's and some key generic training from Jim Rohn and Les Brown and so on. A couple of people I love, really, mentors, and also email templates that you can download as well. And just look around the 7-day guide. So that'll give you a really good head start in promoting any business. Although yes, this is a Live Good training, you can learn a lot here from the stuff that I've put in there. So guys, make sure that you're posting on social media. Okay, by the way, we've also got a Facebook group here that you can get access to, and there's a lot of activity and a lot of results, people having great results and success with in our group. So check that out. The other thing I would recommend, and this is for everybody, okay, so up until now I have mentioned that you can use all the stuff that we've got within our Live Good business, but you could even if you're not in Live Good, even if you don't intend to join Live Good, you can use a lot of this stuff to help you. But guys, this particular platform is 100% free, and I've been talking about this recently on my YouTube channel. But this is a great platform. This is something that I personally launched myself. It's a marketing system. It's totally free, and you can it allows you to build any business, okay, and promote any business. It allows you to brand it with your branding, and you can put you can replace the buttons here with your buttons, and it's all mobile responsive, and it's got get the step 2 is where you get your traffic. That's what we're talking about in this video, guys, is how to generate leads. So go to after you've set up step 1, go to step 2, check out the traffic recommendations. Some another great free tool that I often mention, and I've been involved in this particular platform since 2011, and I have a lot of people who are gradually building this up. And the great thing about this is that when you start using this, it might seem frustrating. You don't see a lot of results, but guys, this will gradually grow, and there is what we call a ladder. Okay, that you gradually grow up the ladder, and the higher you get on the ladder by using this tool, um, the more you can sort of leverage this tool to work for you. Okay, as I say, I've been using this for years, and it gives me daily hits, every single day, and it really is a helpful tool. It's a traffic exchange. You exchange, views. So you're viewing other people's ads in exchange for credits, and those credits can be used for traffic for your site. So you load up your sites in here, whatever you're recommending, and it'll allow you to get traffic to those sites. And in order to get points and credits, you simply view other people's ads. Another tool very similar is LeadsLeap. Although LeadsLeap is a huge, powerful tool allowing you to do almost anything. I mean, we use it a lot, our team, because this tool allows you to, use the drag and drop editor to build your own pages. It also has a built-in autoresponder that's absolutely fantastic. It really is, and I've moved over to this from other tools that just didn't do it for me. It didn't do it for the team. It's a duplicatable tool if you're running a network marketing business, because you can build your pages, and then you can share those pages using share codes. It's a lovely tool. But what I want to talk about is lead generation here. So if you're looking to generate free leads, then you can advertise on this platform. Put your businesses on here. There are a number of ways you can advertise. You can advertise for free. You also got the pro ads as well, and also you can review other websites or tools or businesses that you're involved in, and that will allow you to get views to those as well. Okay. And the more reviews, the more quality reviews you put up here, I think it's like over three reviews that you got published here, you're going to start to get included in the emails that go out from corporate into everyone's inboxes, so that you can get more views. So really, really good platform, and I could do an entire video, and I will be doing more videos about LeadsLeap in the next coming days or weeks. So stay tuned. It's a great tool. Again, you're going to be able to learn more about it on my 7-day guide. So I've covered I've covered the MegaMarketingPro tool. I've covered Traffic Ad Bar and LeadsLeap. Okay, and also the 7-day fast start guide. So I'll put those links below so that you can check those out. Also make sure that you're posting on social media. Okay, that's essential. There are other social media platforms as well, such as obviously Instagram and Twitter and everything. There are ways you can automate this in a little sort of easier way. I mean, I don't mean automation as in being lazy and just doing everything without thinking. I mean automation just to allow you to be involved in your marketing and engage in your marketing, so that you're coming across as a real person, but working smart. Okay, so I'm going to be covering some great tips and tricks on my up and coming videos about how to schedule your social media posts so that they go out automatically, and you can still live a life of and doing what you usually do in everyday life, but know that your social media system is being taken care of. So I post regularly, obviously, and I like to do all kinds of different posts, and I like to group them. So doing recognition posts about my team, doing value posts, recommending my YouTube videos, because I put up a lot of value on my YouTube, and it helps to promote my YouTube at the same time. So important to do that. Talk about my lifestyle. I'm off to the UK. I'm excited. Keep people engaged. Let them know I'm a real person. Talk about my results, and people are interested to see how things are going about your primary business. Talk about recognition. Give recognition to the people who are in your team. And again, recognition. But mix things up. Don't just do maybe do some videos. Maybe do some reels, some story posts, screenshots of people giving recognition, funny posts, quotes or funny or memes or whatever, that may get people engaged. It's all about getting engagement, and this is all, you understand, you get it, guys. But the important thing is to brand yourself. Make sure that you've got the right brand. Make sure that your profile picture is there. because people work with people, you know. And yes, they're keen to join you in a business and they check out the business opportunity. But you know, if you're coming across as not a real person and you're not really branding yourself and coming across showing who you are and where you know people want to work with you specifically, if you're not showing that as a caring person, as a person that you want to come across and you know brand yourself, then people are not going to likely join you. You know, just you've got to make sure that you come across as a real person, a person who cares. So that's important. Anyway, I want to wrap this video up, but you know, just want to talk. You know, basically in today's video, we want to talk about lead generation, how you can generate leads for beginners, and you know, a lot of free platforms, a lot of easy methods to get you started and to really start promoting your business. But guys, it's not about automation. Okay, what you're doing is you're generating leads, but then what do? You've got to nurture those leads. You've got to you know have conversations with those leads. You've got to go into Messenger. You've got to search for them. You know, if they're coming in on email marketing, try and get them onto another platform like Telegram, or you know, chat with them, have a Skype chat, or have a you know, get them onto WhatsApp. Somehow you want to get you know in their inbox so that you can have a conversation, build up that know, like, and trust. So you know, people often say, you know, a lot of my method, you know, they think that these free methods or whatever, they think they don't work or whatever, but actually they're not giving it a chance. They work, but you know, they generate leads and then you know they stop there. You know, it's crazy. You're wasting your time if you stop there and you think the whole process should be automated and you're too scared to actually go into their inbox, have a conversation with them, work with them, maybe get them onto a Zoom call. You can, you know, nowadays we can even set up a Zoom account and have a conversation with people for up to 40 minutes on a Zoom call, take them through the steps, get them set up, get them guided, get them supported. There's so much you can do with free tools on the internet now. I'm going to be talking more about this on my YouTube channel, how to get people really set up. And so, you know, people have, you know, you have no excuse whatsoever by using these free tools. They do work, but you've got to understand that you're not meant to be simply automating the entire process from start to finish. The automation happens so that you can narrow down who are the key people that you want to work with, who are the people that you want to attract to you. Like, you know, again, that's attraction marketing. You can get people to, you know, potentially work with you and who are willing to work with you. You know, and yes, you can probably forget about the rest. I mean, there's a lot of filtering that you're going to be doing when you're potentially working with people, when you're working with your leads. Eventually, you're going to come to terms with who are you ready to work with, who's going to be working with you, who is kind of interacting with what you're doing during the process of working with your leads. Those are the people that you can work with, and then get them onto another mailing list, or you know, try and get them onto your YouTube channel, get them onto your Facebook profile, get them into a Telegram chat and have a chat with them, get them onto WhatsApp, get them onto Skype, get them onto a Zoom call or whatever, and then gradually, you know, you're working with them, and then you can get them signed up into your business. All right, it's a step-by-step process, and you got to enjoy it. You got to be motivated. You got to enjoy the process because it's exciting. All right, you don't have to be a people person. You don't have to be, you know, this extrovert or whatever, or do rah-rah things or whatever. I'm shy, I'm an introvert, but I know that this works, and I keep doing it, and I've been doing it for long enough now, and because it works. I wouldn't be doing it if it wasn't working. So keep going, guys. I look forward to seeing you on the next training. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now, and see you on the next training. Cheers.